Hi, my name is Sergey, this is Thomas, and today we will talk about rental and the racing car BMW330. This car is made for racing and for the rental work on Nordschleife Nurburgring, and today we will know how it can withstand the huge pressure it has every day. Let me ask you, what have you done to this car so it's lasting for so long?
The car as a setup started for the Nordschleife, based on BMW330ci suspensions and PowerFlex bushings.
I already used this car and I can say the suspension is just working fine. It's not very stiff, but gives you the ultimate control, and it's a very expensive suspension.
Yes,
right?
KW are a premium suspension. They also make competition suspensions, so it's one of the best choice you can make if you want a car that is very good both on the track and on the street. There are also PowerFlex bushings on the car. This is very important for stability at high speed. Stock rubber bushings have a deflection with forces, so the faster you go, the more they flex, they bend, and you lose characteristic angles that you made at the alignment, and the car is not stable anymore. PowerFlex are solid polyurethane bushings. They cannot flex, basically.
This is not very expensive, but effective, yeah?
No, they are not. They are cheaper than buying new OEM bushings, but and they are better for the track usage.
Yeah, I could feel it. Suspension worked just fine. What about bodyworks? Did you do something to lighten the car?
Yes, the car is a fully lightened in the inside, so full removal of rear panels and seats, then lightweight bucket seats, 4-point seat belts, full removal of the sound deadening and carpet, floor mats, everything that is not needed inside the race car.
But the air conditioning is still running.
Yes, it's still in the car.
That's a good thing on Nordschleife. It's rather hot sometimes in the...
Because this is a car for everyone, so have to comply with the newcomer of the Nordschleife and also with the very fast and experienced driver. The car still have all the electronic aids, so ABS, ESP, traction control. You can disable them apart from the ABS, so the car is really good for every kind of a customer.
Yeah, but I didn't notice at the first light that some of the ESP was even working. It appeared to be working only when you push really hard, so it doesn't bother you. Really.
No.
Fine. What about engine and transmission?
Transmission is stock. The car born with the 6-speed manual gearbox, a very good unit from BMW. The clutch is durable on this car, so basically doesn't need to be upgraded.
Yeah, I know. The BMW transmission is a very reliable one, and either it's so cheap, the old gearbox is cost like nothing in Russia. Okay. I don't know how about Germany.
You can find spare parts easier.
Mm-hmm. And what about engine?
The engine is stock, but have exhaust and a chip tune. So from 231 horsepower that have from the factory is around 245.
Yeah, the stock means it's reliable, right?
Yes. We have an oil cooler. We run a different oil.
So it's a huge radiator.
Yes,
in front of it.
The customers keep lapping and lapping without anything to worry about.
The next one is the brake system. Did you make something with it?
The calipers on this car are stock. They are well sized from the factory, but obviously we have stainless steel braided lines, discs, and racing pads.
Racing pads, I think it's the most important thing.
Yes.
What model you are using?
We use brake pads from a local company, BSP. This is
I never heard of it.
Yes, it's really near here, 20 kilometers. They make various compounds for brakes. The compounds we use is halfway through an endurance compound.
So it works just perfectly. It's a shame you can buy them in Russia or in the USA and somewhere else.
Yes, it's basically a track compound, a bit more oriented to endurance.
But it works all right, even in a cold. You don't need to heat them up.
No. They start to brake immediately. They are a bit noisy, but they do the work well.
Yeah, that's fine. So the last thing is the tires. There is a 225 on the front and 255 on the back.
Yes.
It's a Bridgestone, right?
Yes. We use Bridgestone Potenza on this car. The ones that from the factory fits best, the 330ci.
Yeah, I felt it's the good compromise of the price and the performance.
Yes.
They have very understandable, very easy behavior.
Yes.
When they're starting to slide, nothing happens. It's still working and nothing dangerous in it.
Yes, absolutely. They also perform really well on the wet, and this is a win-win choice for us.
Basically, that's a good car for the experienced drivers.
Yes, absolutely. The E46 is a very good compromise between performance and safety. And price also.
So Thomas, thank you a lot for discovering all your secrets. That's a great car, and hope to see you soon. Thank you.
It was a pleasure. Thank you.